So you're probably wondering what Google Drive can do for you, or you're probably wondering how, if you're already using Google Drive, it can help you in the classroom. Well, in this first video, we're going to take a look at some of the basic features of Google Drive and how they might aid you in the classroom or with your students. So to get started, we're going to go to drive.google.com, or if you click on the Google Apps Launcher at the top right of your Chrome browser, you can select Google Drive. Now once you're inside Google Drive, you're going to notice that if you're on your school account, then up here at the top left you'll see your district logo. If not, if you just see the words Google, you may be on your consumer account instead of your school account. To get started, click on the New button and you'll notice that you can either create folders to create a directory of files in your Google Drive, or you can create different types of document formats, which we'll talk about in just a minute. But first of all, let's create a folder inside our system, and for now I'm just going to call this Demo. Once my demo folder is created, it highlights it, and if I double click on that, I can open my folder, and you'll notice here it says drop files here or use the New button. You'll notice that if I just minimize my screen here, I can drag anything from my desktop directly onto Google Drive, and it will upload them into that folder. And that didn't take long at all, so there it is. Also, if you currently use other products such as Microsoft Office tools, you can have those files converted easily into the Google Docs format. Now why might you do that? Well, the reason you might do that is so that they're easier to edit. You can also share them with other users and they can collaborate with you or edit along with you from the comfort of their own desktop. Or you can share them out to students by publishing those types of documents to the web. So to show you how easy it is to do that, I'm going to go over to the top right and I'll click on the gear, and I'm going to go into my settings. And so in order for me to upload my Microsoft documents and have them converted to Google Docs format, I'll check this box and then I'll click Done. So now if I go to the New menu and click File Upload, I can look in my documents and I can find any, let's say for instance, PowerPoints that I might have that I want to upload. So here's a PowerPoint here. I'm going to click on that and click Open. You'll notice it's uploading, and then after it's done uploading, it will convert it, and instead of a P for PowerPoint, we'll now see that it has the slides icon in front of it. So it's been converted over to Google Slides format so I can easily edit it. So if you're just getting started with Drive, that's a quick rundown of how to get to Drive, how to create a folder, and how to upload files and convert them. In the next video, we'll talk about how to connect more apps to Google Drive so you can add to your digital tool belt.